Thank you so much, all the media houses. I welcome you, and thank you for.
Tylli ki District Council kan thop ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, menta ka khat ar tarik naitung ar haja ar phaulai, kala ya kenduk lang bat rai ban Pyrshah ya ka Uniform Civil Code. Usi yam ka HADC uba penyak sings iem, ulaong ba ka jingalang kala rai ban yang Pyrshah ya ka jingtmu ka Sarkar India, ban pentrai kam ya ka UCC ha Meghalaya. Na kaliang chairman ka High Power Committee ka GHADC URK Sangma ulaong ba na kaliang ka District Council ru kala dep ban menjur da ka resolution ban Pyrshah ya ka UCC. URK Sangma ulai thu ba ka GHADC kala dep ban lum ya ka jingalang bat ki seng bhalang bat ki nokma bat hakini ki jingalang lashim ya ka rai ban Pyrshah ya ka UCC.
Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council minta kasni ngi smokemen ban pediang subha ya ki perlok jungi na ki Tylli ki Autonomous District Council kata di ka Garo Hills bat kawe bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council hang ni pok Shirong ban penbet ya kani ka meeting ka bakerpang ka meeting ka badan kam ya ka bangin kran halor ka jingtmu jong ka Sarkar India ban pentrekam ya ka Uniform Civil Code hapo kari India kaban ketak ru wat ya kejelam Meghalaya de hakabite ba kani na kaliang jungi ngila don shibun ki jinga kran shibun ki jinga slok mentakasngi bat Baroh kini ki Tylli ki council ka jing don lang jong ki wepat ki MDC ki em bat hakani ka meeting ngila shim Tylli ki rai da ka jing ya bet lang Baroh Tylli ki council kawai ka rai kalong ban Pyrshah ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka UCC da Baroh ki council Tylli ha ka jela Meghalaya ban Pyrshah ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka ni ka UCC ka ba arpat kalong bangin sign ya ka kani ka resolution da Baroh ki Autonomous Council jong ka Meghalaya Baroh Tylli bangin Pyrshah ka National Law Commission habai day bat kita ki nongrim ki bangi Pyrshah habai day ka UCC ban pentrekam hapo ka jela Meghalaya kita di ki jing kran ki jungi ha ka ni ka meeting tu ni la konkret ko ka draft resolution ba kan ya piang lang jong na Baroh Tylli ki council bat ya kata ngin pendap leadership menta kasngi bat la syai kasngi khalai tarik ni naitung ngin yo ban pha no ikani ka resolution jungi bangi Pyrshah ban pentrekam ke UCC po Meghalaya ngin pha no la syai kasngi Shaka National Law Commission nomor ba ka tarik bakibo ka de khatsau tengi kwa hishwai ka khatsau tarik in yo pendap no ikani.
Yes, this chance and opportunity to show our opposition, a strong opposing this bill which is going to be passed. So we strongly, the reason why we are here today is because it was the initiative taken, and I strongly thank and the initiative taken by the CEM and other members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Like you said that yes, we had a couple of series of meeting with all stakeholders of the society in Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. We had meetings with NOKMAs, we had meetings with all the NGOs, and we had also had a meeting with all the stakeholders, senior citizens likewise. Yes, of course, we have taken a resolution, would be taken as in it has been taken, but then it has not been drafted yet. So it is in the process of getting drafted. Hopefully by evening it should be in our hands so that we can have a joint resolution like our CM from KHDC had said that we will draft a resolution jointly so that it is in the process. So it will most probably by before 14th, then we will be able to like give a resolution before 14th to the law commission, National Law Commission. So it'll be in that process we will move forward. And I strongly oppose on behalf of the GHADC, the central government which is trying to implement this UCC, we strongly oppose. And today why we are here today is that we could have given a resolution all by ourselves as well as all the three ADCs, but we thought in a different way that I think if we stand together, our case would be much stronger and people will hear our voice. That's it.
Kadai kejui kasi berjantia kam dia perkan kejui kedustur kejui ka jinglong ke jingman jong ini te ka custom kaju hi te more or less kalong kaju te ngiru aga ya kajing Pyrshah jong kani habangi Pyrshah ya ka kumbong ba penyamtan ba ngimtip yo la se wat hapdang kani kajing Pyrshah jong ngiru ka state ka government of India la ne ka national commission kala ban le halor kini kajing Pyrshah ke jong ni marngi la mention hake resolution jong ni ki jan dia la ka jong resolution ki garo la ka jong ki kasing dan la ka jong resolution tingla kedo paling la ni yang to ba kini ki jing ke jong ni ba ki jing dan kam jong ni ban la da kale ro subo la da kale yo ngila ban je exception ke di ngatrai tangitai poin na mar ngim dei ban super shabit halum be to klem yu ka ngidon kita ki bor jong ki beriu jong ni le ni jong ki disagam sul jong ni ki bala prevent ni hapo ka ki kendon jong ka subsidel tengi don ke jing kemen kum tai la da ngimpen iya kan ni tengi tai mo kala ban dia ayu re yu tajak ben le ni kum ba ya men da ke jing snu thu lang baro lai li kini ki disagam sul ngin ya san hakaju ka jing ya san lang angin pha lang tai kum ka don kam ban don ko ka resolution da ka bangin ya san lang tai